All right, ber afoy tutwal kadugu doka kany ene chama mekwa chama yotcom kakany ene ni wawai wan po bero daktari but at least watemo kami updates kom lok mo mati basic ma in twerti you kede now daktari gen go timo research magi wane piera bichel kom 100 nyoma ki wani 60% ene ni patu cancer tuero ka change tutwale kaki detecting ale nyo kaki noni kinyo choni tiki cancer so it means ni mono tuero ka gene. So, according to International Agency for Research on Cancer, Giwajani, by 2040, there will be 77,510 new cancer cases per year, an increase of 138%. Now, Pat, one wenki wajaki dano ni cancer, change, dano per year, and to research neuro cancer kakinu chon. Cancer gera chang iye lok en
yes abi bedo ke la wara mo ono benetiu e radio it was a event na Daniel Chaze mano temo omovala e WBS now nye ane obedo ke cancer ero kar ma ke tiaro ke detecting ma ke wajeni on tiki cancer obeda wachi dano ngomo mero ke tem I think that's the first time mamunyo pe cancer gin ma kwanyo matek ke wajila chuo mo ke ken matike mwaka piera dek we bor piera dek abongwen piera ngwen must go and do prostate cancer test pengo tek ini tika word chances are very high ni kin mwaka ma ini bedo ka dani iramo no nongola kodi tuo ani er ka fut pi o mwaka piera ngwen chere pimo ngeyo ki chero ki controlling onyo ki ramo kwanyo neo we ke chango ki burning cells mon matieni o ero ka de kar mwaka piera ngwena dong tuo cha odon ko mo don after 40 years bedu tek
yes
now nyech enoni o we ko chenjwa waje dano boys matera wache nena ba potami kitika pimo cervical cancer per month won't it doesn't affect you per month ke waje pm the chances magino ko ele bana I level mon pa party tema duanta yaga yang no tuon ma tuo cancer no ngeni tuo pa jomo teki jomo no ko wakati ki peko money gi money ento ko beni inoni lutieno mateno gitiki watiki chere cancer ward pa lutieno e kokke pig wai ino laten mono gi mono kwore wai penero tika rem wie ne charo tamu wie tika bala wie tika topo all this is the pain malutieno ma meko tika chere ento wati wachini ngeyune piratek I was in the cancer ward palotero akok ke pigwa ento ngege rakwajo ke waini lutieno magi loyo magi chang every year do a matter been actually I think next week
yes
give charo ka lega ir lutero mauto ki cancer ward ento bene
makiloni cancer survivors
the ones who have passed on ki charo ka lega igi ento magu chang ki bibino ka lega igi kiluogi ni heroes you know when them have survived now and even give me hope with other parents ne much as latina comeliat pm da ngayo kombeti aramo chang latina aramo chang keeping the hope alive ni latina food romo chang wadwa eni charla nyot bodane in military oyat ipim gimone matika bini kom latini matini tuango pe ngwenyata pe madata ka vovo gwak no tiki nyi cancer ba cancer bedo chalo jwenya ya ko donyo kumi in chere ngwenyo dire none o cha ngolo pi o cha tim gina ngo iwa ai ni vu ma chenjui kelo peko dire no penge ngo matie
anyway Pat ladit makilwoni gene Oyoo of course and waje kakany matek mati in charge of communicable diseases Dr. Charles Oyoo why certain cancers result from infections. Madam no enemy. Mine chalo hepatitis B virus can also lead to liver cancer. While HPV is also a risk factor for cervical cancer. When but anyway, kid my part wajikere kuman enemy. Let's go to the hospital and do cancer screening. Pay doc wabed kumen any putu mano watiki tuo cancer komwa and we don't really understand. And Mario, let's stop self-medication. Wangwa pol ngarmo tiki vo chala par wajikere you want to go and treat yourself mono pe